Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and today is the first Tuesday in October and we have a giveaway, and as you can see I'm wearing my autumnal wrap and my autumn granny wrap, and I'll put the link below. I've made a tutorial on how to make this and it's really nice and warm because it's a chilly day today. So what have I got for you this month? With it being autumn, let me just make sure I've not lost anything. So with it being autumn, I've got some autumnal yarn. So first off, you're going to get this little notepad. It's a shopping list with a pencil, but it's got a magnet on it, guys, and you can add, stick it on your trolley if you've got a trolley, or on your fridge or wherever. Then you've got a set of crochet hooks which are 2mm, 4mm and 5.5mm. You get the pen, you get a little container with 10 stitch markers, and you get a little vial with 2 tapestry hooks in there. So that is what you get with the yarn. And you're thinking, oh Linda, what yarn are we going? So I've got some ice yarn for you guys. Some ice. Excuse the crinkling. Sorry guys. So you get 4 50-gram skeins of the yarn. It is a silk merino hand dyed. It's 80% superwash merino and 20% silk. Now I'm knitting with this. I'm knitting a hat with this yarn, guys. It's beautiful. It's 50 grams, 330 meters, which is about 356 yards, and it's a 2 weight. And the recommended size is a 3mm, which is a US 3. So very nice yarn. You could add it with some mohair to make it into a 3 weight yarn. And yeah, so that is the colour. It doesn't say a colour. I think it's more like a little a chestnut colour, don't you think? So you get 4 of these. So let me just go through all the rules. You need to be a subscriber of my channel because all my giveaways are for my subscribers. I do check when I pick the winner that you are subscribed to my channel. You must be 18 years and over. This is paid for by me. YouTube has no association with my giveaways whatsoever. What else? I'm not responsible for any taxes that are due when the parcel arrives in your country. I will pay for the parcel to be sent to you, but after that, any custom tax duties that are required to be paid, then unfortunately you pay for that. So double check before you enter, guys. Or as always, the link below. There's a link to show you how to make your channels visible so I can see that you are subscribed to me. Also, all the rules in the description box below. So it starts today, which is the 4th of October, and it closes on the 21st of October. And then I announce the winner on the 25th of October, and the winner then has 7 days, guys. Remember, you have 7 days to contact me via email if you are the lucky winner. If you don't contact me within that time, then you forfeit your prize and I pick another winner. So yes guys, so thank you. As I said, I suppose I better give you the word that you need to put in the description box. But now, shall we go with ice? ICE. Easy, quick, simple, easy word to type up. So yeah, put ice. That's the word that I need if you're interested in this giveaway. I'm looking forward to seeing all your comments, and maybe in the comment, if you put ice, let me know what you if you've got an idea what you would like to use this yarn for. So you get, so that's 660, you get over 1,000, 3, 6, 9, 12, yeah, you get about 13,000 meters, so that's plenty to make a nice autumnal shawl. And if you add mohair to it, that'll make, you know, that'll make it even more nice and snuggle for the autumn. So that's all from me. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye for now.